I didn't start filmmaking knowing what I was doing. I learned by doing, by going out there, messing up, and then figuring it out as I went. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Fawzi Yahya, and I'm the head of video production at Yaqeen Institute. Hands down, one of the things that shaped me early on was joining film competitions. Deadlines force you to create. Constraints force you to think. And suddenly, you're not just making something cool, you're creating and telling a story with intention. Film competitions teach you how to make decisions and complete projects. They train your filmmaking and storytelling mindsets. If you're a young filmmaker and you're waiting until you're ready, don't. That's not how it works. Growth doesn't happen in isolation. It happens when you show up and you participate. If we want to tell our stories, if we want to inspire people through film, we have to go out there and put our work into the world. So if you're serious about filmmaking, join the competition, inshallah. Not just to win, but to grow and to learn and to become better storytellers. This might be the start of your journey, just like it was for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.